All right, y'all, we are back. We're in the Professor and Kian Alerts channel. We're going to do a quick recap of some alerts made today and close out with Kian's February report. So let's get straight to it. First off, we had Professor right here with a quick update on these QQQ 432.5 puts. They were in the green first thing in the morning, so solid trade there from the Professor. We're going to have a few updates coming up on that trade. Then we had a VFC play sold at 86%. And as you can see above, we entered these 17 calls just 2 days ago at a 0.23 premium. Another solid trade for the small accounts. Then we had another update on Hood 20 calls. We sold these at 207%. And we entered these at 0.37 premium on the 23rd of February. Finally, we got Kian's February report. As you can see, we got a total of 26 plays. We had 18 wins, 1 break-even trade, and 2 swings that we haven't sold yet. So with that in mind, we have a total win rate of 78% from Kian, including some bangers like ARM, VKTX commons, and those Hood 20 calls mentioned earlier, among others. So that's going to do it for our trade recap today, guys. Make sure you click the link in the bio to get started, and we'll see you on the next one.